Yo guys, what's going on? I hope you're doing well. And basically today is just going to be kind of like a reaction video. So this video that you can see, I've made it around the age of 14. I was like in year 10. So you know, just when I made that video, the previous video that you guys probably saw on this channel with the 10k calories of the, you know, the burgers and the chips and all of that stuff. And this video I made it around that time, maybe like a week or two, something like that after, because these videos were getting views, right? And you know, at that time this video I think got like 25 to 30k views, which again is quite insane for me, especially, you know, being 14 years old, making these videos, you know, going to school and everyone's like, yo bro, did you eat all of those chips and all of that stuff? By the way guys, none of the food was actually wasted, because you know, there were people like behind the actual screen, like behind the cameraman, there were people that were just chilling. So this is basically my actual raw reaction to this clip, because I haven't really like watched it in time. So I decided, you know what, these clips are kind of gonna go to waste because I made them private. Reason being is because, as I said guys, I did use music, and again, background music, like actual instrumental music. So obviously we know that that is haram in the religion of Islam. And as I said, I was a kid, and you know, I'm not trying to make no excuses, but you know, I just chose to use music around that time. But alhamdulillah, you know, I removed this stuff because I did feel quite bad that people were watching it. And yeah, so basically I decided to mute the video and basically talk to you guys about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And you can see all of these chips and yeah, and a couple of wings on the side as well, you know, because it's a bit dead to just have like chips and have no wings. So I was like, you know what, I might as well get some of this. Oh yeah, so here I'm basically starting up the timer. I'm trying to, it was like because I didn't want to make like some sort of 30-minute video, right? So I literally put the timer on and I'm like, you know what, let me try to see how many chips I can eat in 5 minutes. Yeah, this clip of me putting the ketchup on is super satisfying to me. And I'll be honest guys, like, you saw the thumbnail. I honestly, like, I think my channel has some pretty good thumbnails. Yeah, I've always been quite good when it came to taking thumbnails. I'm not gonna lie, maybe I'm bragging, maybe I'm not, but you know, I think some of my thumbnails on my channel are really good, like educational wise and everything. And this thumbnail I made at the age of 14 was absolutely banging in my personal opinion. Yeah, like, you guys probably saw the thumbnail, like, it looks so good, like the pixels of the camera and all of the chips, you can see all of the, you know, the color of the chips, you know. It was nice. I think I also used some color grading for the thumbnail, but that thumbnail that I made back in when I was 14 was mad, because I used to do lots of editing back in the days, because you know, I was free, you know, like in year 9, in year 10, you think you're busy but you're not. Like, all I used to do is go to school, go to all of the Islamic programs, go play football with my mates, but at the end of the day I was just free the entire day. Yeah, and obviously the point of these videos is not like to eat the entire food, because you can see I was weighing like 45 kgs at that time. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat all of that stuff, I just ate a little bit. It was more like a kind of like a parody kind of video. And again, there were a huge amount of people, like there was like 6-7 guys behind the camera, like 8 guys, something like that, all of my mates, and we basically kind of like chipped in and bought all of this food. And obviously I paid most of it, but like, everyone was there to support me and everyone paid for the food. It was more like a motive, and we basically ate together. And these guys were playing on the PS3, and you know, just like using their phones on Snapchat. And I was like to these guys, don't make any noise, just please don't talk. All right, I'm trying to make a nice little video, please just don't talk. And everyone was just so supportive because no one was talking, everyone was just so quiet. And I know it was probably distracting because I was eating, and like people were like kind of like, my friends were kind of looking at me, and I was like, guys, don't look at me, it just makes it super awkward for me to start the video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But again, you know, it's the timer is going, I'm just making this video, and you can see me, you know, being cheeky and hiding the couple of chips and saying, oh guys, I finished it. You know, as I said, I used to watch Chunks and this kind of YouTubers who used to do this funny kind of videos, even though my videos probably weren't the funniest, if I'm being honest. But you know, I enjoyed making them, and you know what I enjoy more? I enjoy reacting to them right now. You know, I haven't watched this video literally in years. Okay, so watching this right now, I'm just like, damn, you know, it's not bad. You know, the editing, the camera quality, like, it's not bad for a 14-year-old. And by the way, when I started YouTube, I was all by myself. I didn't have anyone to edit any videos for me, really. Like, no one was there to like kind of like, you know, push me forward and be like, this is the camera you should buy, this is how you edit. Like people at that time, because everyone around me was young, they didn't know much about editing, so I used to watch lots of YouTube videos and I got better over time. So I remember I used to spend quite a lot of time editing and, you know, recording videos. I used to script these videos as well. By the way, here I'm speaking to my like cameraman, and we used to script the kind of the video to make it a little bit funny and crack a couple of jokes. And yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I miss all of the videos, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. I miss all of the videos. And as I said, none of the food was actually wasted, because behind the camera, yeah, let me tell you, once the video finished, like everyone just jumped in. We finished all of the food, man. We had a huge amount of ketchup. You can see all of that, all of that mayonnaise and all of that ketchup was probably like used up. We had a couple of drinks as well. Actually, do you know what's funny? Yeah, we had extra food in there. It's just that we couldn't put any more on the table because the table was not big enough. Because initially we bought a huge amount of PFC, a huge amount of, you know, chicken and chips. We used to call it PFC back in the days. But oh yeah, by the way, guys, like, you know, when I went to the PFC shop and I ordered like 30 like boxes of chips, 40 boxes of chips, the bossman at the PFC shop was just like, what the hell? At first they were confused, because there were like 7, 8 of us. They understood why we were taking it, and we were going home. And I don't know, man, I remember carrying all of the PFC boxes, me and my mates, and it felt like a motive. And basically these videos were recorded when obviously my mom and dad, every time they used to go to like my cousin's house and stuff like that, like they were outside, I'll be like, Mom, I'm gonna make a YouTube video today, can you give me like 10-15 pounds to buy a couple of chips? And you know, alhamdulillah, my parents, may Allah bless them, they were always so supportive with YouTube. Even now, like they tell me like YouTube is a good thing, but again, like prioritize everything in your life. Like the most important thing right now in my life is education and family, and YouTube comes secondary. So YouTube should be something that you do after, you know, after you do all of this, you know, this educational stuff, you know, studying and all of that. Anyway, the time is up basically, and yeah, that's I didn't really complete the challenge, but that was the, I mean, I wasn't going to complete it in the first place. And you can see my friend right there sitting on the chair. Basically, I used to tell my mates, yo, just sit around there, around the house, just don't make any noise in it. And that was me, yeah, just chilling. I could have told them to go to the other room, to go to my room, but the problem was that if this guy went to my room, everyone would be just shouting and chilling. So I was like, just stay in front of me and just be quiet, I can like monitor you guys, yeah. And after the video, it was just pure vibes. Like honestly, it was it's really funny. Anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe, just like I said in the video. Subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, because these videos for me back in the days, like this was a huge plan, you know, because you know, it just takes so much time to get all of the food, all of your mates. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, take care. I'll see you in my next video, inshallah ta'ala. And you know, good vibes, good vibes, alhamdulillah, man. I can't complain. Big shout to everyone who was there. If you guys were there in the video, you know, or if you're one of those old subscribers from my old YouTube channel, then you know, just let me know, yeah, because I remember you guys, man. I remember some of the comments. It was amazing, man. This video ended up getting over 1,000 likes and over like 25-30k views, which was massive for me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys maybe benefited from the video. I'll see you in my next video, inshallah. Take care, and yeah, as always, take care and peace out.